Hey everyone, it's your girl 4-Wheel Fitness, and I am here with our Roller Skate to Liberate beginner roller skating lessons number 9, and also a little skate fitness tip that I'm going to throw in today. And we're going to build off of our front crossovers and do back crossovers. So what we're going to do for our back crossovers is keep our knees soft, our skates as close together as we feel comfortable. Find your square or your little point that you're going to try to stay within, because we don't want to move too much. And what we're going to do is we're going to start by just going right behind left, crossover, pop out. And then we're going to do the same thing, left behind right, pop out. Now, if you can only get your skate back here, that is absolutely fine. Start where you can, where you're comfortable. For me, I've been doing this a while, so my back crossover, I like to put my feet as parallel as possible when I'm crossing over, because it's kind of the same thing if I'm going backwards in the rink and I can't be all out here. Plus it also helps with kind of my range of motion, if you will, when I stay smaller. It helps with my balance. It helps me stay within this square that I'm in right now. So I'm trying not to roll too much, but I'm still crossing right behind left, left behind right, and I'm popping out. Now, you can get funky with it and make it a skate fitness move. Make sure you're staying in that same square, but you can kind of just do back, out, back, out, back, out, once you're comfortable. So put a song on, do this for 30 seconds at a time. I guarantee you'll be feeling it. But for right now, slow and controlled. We're gonna go back crossover, and again, go as slow as you need to. So if you need to start here, that is perfectly fine. You start where you are most comfortable, and your comfort is what matters the most, because it's your balance, it's your body. You have to learn your skates and your edges. And there you go, guys. There's your back crossovers. Please check out Roller Skate to Liberate. Check out our June initiative to help put a stop to human trafficking and show them some love, guys. Bye, keep rolling.